Hey guys, so we have a pet trimmer here, and as you can see, we have the nail cutter right here, length, and it does come with a different attachment to it. This is different types of blades to cut hair, different types, even with the length adjustment as well. It comes with 3 different types. You can just add them to the nail trimmer on top, and we're completely fine. To turn it on, here you have a button. Just turn it once on, and you can see lights up telling you that it's on, and you can hear it too. Turn it off. It does come with a C-type charger with the USB. It's just very simple to use, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
So we have Toby. We have to shave him down just a little bit sometimes. You shave him just a little bit, enough so we could actually cut his nails. This one.